today we're gonna do some crazy stuff. Like, we're going to this place called Team Labs Borderless, and you guys probably don't know what that is, but it's an insane place to take pictures and to just get your mind blown, maybe get a seizure. Yeah, it's hella pretty. There's hella shit to do, and we're gonna go do that. And after that, we're gonna go drive Mario Karts through the city in costumes. I don't know if that's gonna be a separate vlog. It might be. If it is, go watch the next video when it comes out, because that's probably gonna be like the coolest video I've ever done. Just gonna have a little protein bar and some water for now. Destroying this cream pie and admiring this peachy little view right here. Bro, I just went on the prettiest train ride of my life. Wow, this is beautiful. Holy shit. I didn't think I'd see this view today. Alright, so right next to Team Labs was the Toyota building. It's like the giant Toyota building. I don't remember the name. It's like WEB or some shit web. I don't know, but I love cars, so I had to stop by. Plus, it's free, and I met this cool guy named James, and I don't know, we chatted it up, and then he said he was going here, so I said, yo, I might as well go with you, bro. And yeah, so now I'm here. I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll see y'all later. Toyota out here trying to build a drive-by coffee place, bro. Bruh, you guys seen that LFA, bro? There's so many other cars that they don't have in here in America. They're just like normal cars here, but in America it's like, damn, that's lit. Like right-hand drive, JDMAF Toyota. This is hella funny. All right, I got it. Oh. Seatbelt, okay. All right, let's do it. So what do I do? Oh, wait. Can I? So do I just do this? Oh, where do you want me to go? Oh, follow the track? Oh, okay. This is easy. Oh, whoa. Why you gotta make it harder? All right, let's go. Fuck. All right, I got the next one. Let's do it. Ballin'. Hey. One more. Oh yeah. I forgot. All right, yup. No, thank you, that was fun. Just got done playing wheelchair basketball. It's gonna be the Summer Olympics in Japan, so that's cool. And might as well have to come back for that in 2020. Drop a like and a comment if I should. And now we're gonna finally go to Team Labs Borderless, as long as I don't get distracted again.
I read that.
Where are you guys trying to go? Forest and flowers?
It's straight.
Oh my god. Oh shit, you can take selfies. It's Polo. We're about to go walk around this beautiful ass place right now, dude. I'm so hyped.
Calling the security.
On who?
On me.
Really?
Because of this thing.
How long was that?
3 minutes.
Arigatou gozaimasu. That whole thing was awesome. Worth the wait in the lines. This whole area of Tokyo is awesome. Your boy just failed twice and trying to win some prizes, so I'm gonna keep going. If I win some, I'll throw it on the vlog. Don't worry, but they got some rare Pokemon up in here, bro. What do y'all want me to win, huh? Oh, I'm gonna win that, bro. Alright, my luck is terrible, so I got some of this. Live taste test, got that Sega. Hella doughy. And not too much cream up. Yo, so this is lit. You put the money in there, and then it's like a vending machine. You just click on whatever flavor ice cream you want, and then you get a ticket and your change. They give it to the homie over there. And then we're about to get some ice cream. And yo, we're on our way to Bape. You know your boy's about to ball out because I don't give a F, bro. I need some retail therapy in this bitch. That's clean. Alright, just got that cool ice cream. It was in a random, nice, like, hypebeast shoe store. It was called Atmos. And yeah, now I'm about to go into Bape. So let's go get some new fits, bro. Arigatou gozaimasu. I'm about to go to the Bunny Cafe because we have a cat cafe in Seattle. I don't know if we have a bunny cafe though, so I'm about to hit that. I've been drinking a lot of coffee and stuff and caffeine stuff in here, so I got a hot chocolate. Looks pretty chill. To pet them and get the coffee, it was like 12 USD, so not bad. Not bad at all. You know I got the vape on me still, bro. You know I'll be flexing out here, bro. We got some JDM McDonald's. JDM AF right here, boys. There's 5 floors? Yeah, I went to the Bunny Cafe. It was chill. Nothing insane, nothing special. You know, it was chill. And now we're at McDonald's. It was raining outside. Long table for the boy. Bro, came in heat with the teriyaki burger. Chicken nuggets, milk, basic. Yo, your boy got some ice cream. Walking to Shibuya during the rain. I appreciate you guys for watching the vlog. I appreciate you guys for checking this out, man. Taking the time to just watch the whole thing. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. I appreciate every like, comment, subscription, all that, bro. If you share the video, you don't know how much that means to me. Peace out. I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. Check out the other Tokyo vlogs because there's gonna be a bunch coming soon. And I'm telling you, like, what I did today, that was lit. But I'm telling you, it's gonna get way crazier here in Tokyo.
Like and subscribe.